Okay, so I am going to go to my Flipgrid. I'm going to click Login with Google. Okay, and you'll see your assignment, which will be called something different since yours is a Spanish assignment. Okay, I'm going to make sure in my Spanish folder on Google Drive, I have my sentences about my family. And then if you chose to put a picture of your family in there, you can have that. But I would have that already pulled up, on your Google Drive. Okay, so you're going to hit this plus arrow. And you'll see yourself. See, hi. Okay, now see this sticky tab right here? I'm going to click on it. And this is where I'm going to copy and paste my sentences. Control C, Control V. Okay, now they're on my sticky note. That way I can read right off of that as I record. Okay, keep this in mind. If you re-record, if you make a mistake, you're going to have to go back and copy and paste. That's why you want this on your Google Doc, so you can copy and paste again if you need to. Okay, so I'm going to click on this image button right here. And this is where I'm going to actually click upload a sticker. And this is where I'm going to find the picture of my family, which will be in your Google Drive. Okay, and the good thing about this is now I can kind of cover my face a little bit, kind of be back and forth with it. I'm going to move it over here. And then another cool feature is these filters right here, because I know everybody loves filters. There you go. See, now I can be like orange if I want to. Okay, so I have what I need. I have my picture. I have my words over to the left. And now I'm going to go ahead and click record and record myself talking, okay? You'll be talking in Spanish. Okay, this is my family. So the bald guy is Mr. McCullum, my husband, and he is a baseball coach at Central. And then this little sweet thing is Macy, my daughter. And then I have Cash, who is a North Middle student. And then I have Parker. He is definitely my wild child. I mean, he's just a little crazy sometimes. And I love my family. Okay, I'm going to hit pause now. And then you can hit next and listen to it. Okay, now there's also some cool things here. If I want to put like a hat on myself or some emojis, maybe I even want to type something. You can type like my family. But of course, yours would be in Spanish, okay? All right, so I'm going to hit the next button. It's going to let me listen to my video, and I'm going to decide if it's good or not. Okay, now I'm going to hit the next arrow. Okay, now you take a picture of yourself. Okay, I love these right here because I can go ahead and pick some sunglasses to put on myself. I can pick a hat, whatever I need. So I normally like to go into, let's see if we can find accessories. There we go. Okay, so now I can pick some cool glasses. And there's just all kinds of things. You can pick hair bows, crazy hats. So once you're done with this, go ahead and click the next arrow. Now, this is the part that's super important and probably your trickiest part. Okay, right here where it says link. Okay, this is where Ms. Gardner wants you to put your link from Google, okay? But this is where it gets tricky. So when I go back to my Google Doc, I'm not going to copy what's here up top because that's not going to work. I've got to click this share button right here. So I'm going to click share, okay? And then I'm going to click copy link. Just make sure you get this link right here, okay? So I've copied it. Now I go back to my Flipgrid. I click Control V. So now I've pasted it. And then you can put a title right here. Okay, and then you're totally done. Click submit my video. Okay, and then complete, and then you are done. Have fun.